Alright guys, it is December 26th, 2016, Monday night. It's been about a week since I touched the car, but can you blame me? It's Christmas holiday, so have to do some other stuff before I can keep working on the car. But anyways, as you can see, we've taken apart the front end, took off the front bumper, as well as the filler panels, so that's all nice and clean, neat. I've also labeled all the wires for the headlights, passenger, the corner panels, the corner lights, and the bumper lights. So everything's labeled here. Still not done though. Still got a few things to label. I just want to show you the wire harness comes out of the driver's side, left-hand side firewall, snakes down to the front rail. You got these nifty guides to keep it in place. So you got a couple of wires branching out of there for the battery, alternator, and obviously the headlights, the horns. Goes down this front piece, again held by light, those tabs, and comes back up to the right hand side firewall, frame rail, sorry. And as you can see, I don't know how clear that's going to be on your screen, but the original wire harness part number still on the wire harness there. So I'm going to be covering that up with clear plastic and taping over it, trying to preserve it. Let's see, there's the steering box. I've got a nice new master cylinder for the brakes. I'm going to have to refinish the brake booster there. And there's the wires for the wiper. Anyways, wiper motor. Sorry. So you can see some of the fuel lines, the brake line as well. So those are. I'm gonna try to just refinish them. Try to keep them, clean them up, make them nice and new. And let's see, it's going down to the car. Still haven't really touched the car inside wise. Hopefully I'm gonna get the gas tank out. It should be empty, and hopefully the glare's not too much. But there's the wire harness that goes to the trunk, and still the dash. I had a friend who took off the bolts, but I just have to try and finish it. I just have to label all those wires underneath the dash and get going with that. But yeah, found some knobs for the climate control because I'm missing 2. So I found 6, so I can finish this car and another car. And hopefully it'll be nice and original looking. I know they're only original ones. So anyways, that's it for tonight, and I'm going to try to get started on the car. Alright, good night.